Hi, I'm Bettina, a people scientist here at Hive, and today I want to talk about something really crucial for an organization going through change. And that's how to retain your people after those changes have hit. So organizational change, whether it's minor or major, so whether it's restructuring or new leadership in the team, can really have an impact on your team members. And if it's not handled well, from top level all the way down to the bottom level, then unfortunately you might see people heading for the door. So what can you do to make your people stick around? So it all starts with rebuilding that trust again. So creating a safe space. This is something that we call psychological safety. And it's when people have the environment to really voice their opinions or their consent without repercussion of facing anything negative. And when people feel safe in their environment, so when there is that psychological safety, they're more likely to stay, even when things are uncertain at that point in time. So people here may have stronger resilience towards the change that is happening, so they are more likely to stick around. Now, when it comes to the point of view from a leadership perspective, this is all about being open, being transparent, and making sure your team is involved in the decisions. So by really gathering constant feedback on that ongoing processes and the changes goes a long way. So when we have that constant feedback, we have those surveys in place, we have what we call a feedback loop, and this is an ongoing communication from leadership and to the employee level. So from an organizational level, there are a few things that you can do. So first off, reaffirm those company values. When employees see that their personal values are still aligned with the organization, even after those changes, it can really help them to feel grounded. Another big one is flexible working options. So like I said, no matter how big or small that change is, it really does affect people differently. So offering flexibility can help people balance their personal lives whilst also adjusting to the new norm of that work. And don't forget to focus on each individual too. So more frequent one-to-ones with your manager and your employee can really make a huge difference. Allowing employees to really voice their concerns or simply just check in. So this can really contribute to that feedback loop that we spoke about earlier. Also, you could invest in time to really upskill people and help them to grow in their roles, and this really shows that they really do have a future in this company, which ultimately helps in retaining your top talent. So just to recap, retaining your people is more than just keeping them engaged. It's about making them feel valued, feel safe, and feel a part of the future that you're building together. So it's about trying to tie the knot between your mission and your values and your employees. And again, you can do this by open communication, real involvement in the decisions that you're making, and showing that you really care about their growth and well-being. So if your organization is going through changes, remember, retaining your employees isn't just about stability. It's about making sure that they feel supported, heard, and excited to be a part of what's to come next. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a stronger, more resilient workforce. You can learn more about change management on our resources page.